Good afternoon. I'm Mike McBride with the Jackson Public Schools Facilities Group. We're here this afternoon at 2 p.m. on the 16th of April 2020 to open bids that have been submitted on the Boyd Elementary School exterior concrete repairs project. I would like to note that this bid opening is being filmed and will be available on the JPS website subsequent to this meeting. But as a result of the various safeguards related to the COVID-19 pandemic and the best practices of JPS, we are excluding the public from this bid opening, and we are observing social distancing within this room with a minimum attendance of 4 persons. We will now proceed with the opening and reading of the bids.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Jennifer Seymour with Ely Goud Hardy Architects. We've received 5 hard bids that were hand delivered, and we also have 3 bids online that we will open. The first bid is from Claiborne Construction LLC. They have noted on their bid envelope that the bid is below $50,000, and thus far no COR number is on the exterior of the envelope. Their certificate of responsibility number is 23139-SC. Their contractor's license number is 23139-SC with March 20th, 2021 as the expiration date. The surety name and address, Fisher Brown Bottrell Insurance, P.O. Box 1490, Jackson, Mississippi 39215. They are a limited liability company. They're a resident contractor. They are a minority contractor, and they have made all good faith efforts to maintain the MBE-WBE participation. Claiborne Construction LLC is an MBE company. They do not acknowledge receipt of the addendum, and their cost proposal base bid is $18,000, 18000, and it is signed. The next bid is from 4 Seasons Enterprises LLC. Four Seasons Enterprises LLC. Certificate of responsibility number 19997-MC. They have an original and 2 copies. Their certificate of responsibility number 19997-MC. The surety name and address, Ohio Casualty Insurance Company, 62 Maple Avenue, New Hampshire. They acknowledge receipt of the 3 addendum. Their base bid cost proposal, $62,739, 62739. And they've included a copy of the addendum issued. And they also have included some of their experience with past projects. The next bid is from Robertson Construction Contractors, LLC, Certificate of Responsibility Number 22929-MC. They've included 3 copies of their proposal. Robertson Construction Contractors. Surety name, Granite RE Incorporated. They acknowledge all 3 addendum. Their base bid amount, $35,000.00, 35000. They include the resume of their project manager, and they include a bid bond at 5%. The next bid is from Thrash Commercial Contractors Incorporated. COR number 10117-MC. They include 3 copies of their bid proposal. Surety name and address, ARC Insurance Company out of New Jersey. They acknowledge the receipt of all 3 addendum. Their base bid amount, $62,897.00, 62897. They include a bid bond at 5%. The next bid is from Zaya Incorporated, and they indicate on the outside of their envelope that the bid does not exceed $50,000. Yeah, ZY8A. Mm-hmm. They acknowledge the receipt of all 3 addendum. Their base bid amount, $16,876, 16876. They include the spec section for the bid security form.
Could you read their certificate of responsibility?
They don't include it. It's not written.
Oh, okay.
Let me check the other copy. It's not, they don't include their certificate of responsibility number on their bid form. We'll now open the bids online. The first bid is from Construction Specialist, LLC. Their certificate of responsibility number, 22927-MC. They include a bid bond at 5%. Their surety name, their surety company is CCI Incorporated.
CPI?
CCI.
CCI?
Mm-hmm. They do not acknowledge the receipt. I'm sorry, they do have dates for the receipt of the addendum. Mm-hmm. They do have dates, so they did acknowledge receipt of the addendum. Cost per base bid amount is $67,800 and no dollars, 67800. And they do include the 3 addendum with their bid. They also include their State of Mississippi Board of Contractors license. And they include a letter from the Mississippi Development Authority. And they include their license from the Mississippi Development Authority for minority and small business development. And their license for the City of Jackson African American Business Enterprise. And that is all. The second bid is from, I guess Saya is the one they turned in a hard copy, right? Okay. The next bid is from PaveCon Limited.
Sorry, say that one more time.
PaveCon, P-A-V-E-C-O-N Limited. Their certificate of responsibility number 17886-SC. They include their State of Mississippi Board of Contractors license. They acknowledge the receipt of all three addendum. Their base bid amount, $57,509, 57509. That concludes all the bids that we have received.
Did they acknowledge the addendum?
They did acknowledge the addendum, yes. But they do not have a bid bond uploaded, no.
Having opened and read the 7 bids that were submitted, we now will take these under advisement, and JPS and the architect will consult, and the architect will provide a recommendation. But at this time, these are under advisement, and we thank you for your attention this afternoon.